Ooh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. He's pink. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome back to our channel and to another challenge. We are finally getting to do the spicy ramen challenge, which a lot of our subscribers has been asking us to do this challenge. And of course we can't get this in France in the store, so we got it at Amazon, which is super cool. So we are about to try this challenge, and yeah, we are already prepared because I don't know how pepper this is going to be. So we have our milk, we have our water, and of course I have to go a little bit extra and I carry some sugar because I don't know what's about to happen. So we already have our ramens cooked and ready to go, and we're about to add all of this pepper into our ramens. Okay. So if you guys are wondering what the spicy ramens challenge is, it's who can eat off their bowl of ramens without tripping out. Okay, you guys. So yeah, let's see who is going to be the chicken. All right, you guys. Hubby, let me tell you guys something now. Hubby cannot manage pepper, but he has been giving big talks and he's really excited to do this challenge. So we are ready to go. And no, Tyler own don't have any pepper in it, but he's enjoying his ramen. All right, you guys. See, we're about to pull our pepper and throw all of it in. I don't even want to smell it. Okay. Oh my god, it's scary. And babe have one pack of ramens and I have one pack. Babe, you have to throw all the pepper in it, don't keep back any in the container.
Oh, you're gonna inspect.
It smells good.
You're gonna inspect mine and I will do this.
I see all the other ones that I've watched. Everybody says it's super peppery. You guys, look at Tyler going in on his. Everybody says super peppery. So let's see how peppery is this thing. All right, mine is done.
Mine too.
Babe, come on, man. Come on, baby. I'm seeing drippings.
Yeah.
You guys, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like before it mixes. So we're just gonna mix this all in and then we are ready to eat.
Usually I used to eat my finger. I'm not gonna do that now.
Guys, I feel like my nose is already running and I haven't started eating it yet. Alright, you guys, let's see who is going to finish this first. Ready? Ready?
I'm ready.
You wanna taste first?
I want to test first. I know it's good. Ooh, it tastes good, but
bombas! Woo! Bombas! Baby! Oh, I don't think I'm going to finish, and that's the first bite. Alright, I can do this. Baby, you sound so calm.
It doesn't feel pepper at all.
Baby?
No pepper.
Mommy, oi! Mommy! Wow, mommy! Mother save me. Ooh. Baby? They're too calm.
I'm gonna win.
Hello?
It tastes good.
Same, mommy. Tara. Say mommy. Say mommy. Baby, oh, you're so calm. No, sir. What have I done?
Whew.
Oh, my whole weight. I have to take off my jacket. I'm hot. Oh, the cold room become hot.
My mouth on fire. On fire.
Yes, sweat.
Oh Lord. Tongue on fire.
Guys, I'm shaking literally. Oh. Oh.
Woo. Oh my God.
Tell her mommy it's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's just pepper. You see the thing about it though is that it's very flavorful.
Damn, you eat fast.
So the flavor is really good, but the pepper behind it, ooh, I'm sweating. Wait, my nose. Ooh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. He's pink. Come on, baby. Yes, baby.
Easy, easy.
Ah. You alright, baby? Oh, he's hot. Ooh. 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 This reminds me of when I was in labor. Come on, baby. You can't lose this. But I can't bite anymore. Can't swallow it. Oh. Oh.
No, sir.
Ah. Oh.
Where's your food?
Babe, you're gonna let me win you.
No.
It's like, I don't know if you used to play games. It's like if you play games and you have 5 lives. I just drink 1 life.
So I have 4 more lives.
Baby, you're not gonna finish?
Well, it's either I have to eat fast because I don't want to lose and to eat. Doesn't make sense. Prefer to stop before.
What? Who giving you joke? Who giving you joke?
Game.
I swear I'm gonna win.
It's gonna be your first
gonna
winning
win.
challenge.
I'm gonna win. Never tasted anything like this in my life. I want my mommy.
But except the
Mommy.
pepper doesn't taste bad.
Ooh. Ooh, baby.
Oh,
Ooh.
my nose starts to run. I don't want you.
No, you have to
I don't
finish.
want you.
You give up?
No?
Baby, you can't give up. Come on, baby, you can't give up.
I just...
Baby, you're really gonna lose?
Well, I lose.
Laugh at Papa. Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Mommy's gonna win. Mommy's gonna win. Clap for Mommy. Clap for Mommy. Clap for Mommy. Go, Mommy. Go, Mommy. Go, Mommy. I won't lose. Can't lose. You guys, look. That's what's left of mine. And I'm going to finish. I'm going to finish. I got this. Look what left of Babe's own. Look. You guys, look at this. Come on, baby. You can't let me win. You can't let me win. Come on, baby. Woo!
Give up.
No!
I give up. Guys.
He give up. I'm about to go in on my last bit. I'm gonna win. Come on, this is like working out for me in the morning. I'm almost at my 40 minutes. Come on, Mel. Motivated. You can do this. I'm going to finish. Yo, I am a Jamaican. Pepper is nothing to I. You see me? So 1, 2, 3 something. You can't come from Jamaica and afraid of pepper. First, I'm giving you guys part 2 in one of my videos, right? If you guys know anything about Jamaica or Jamaicans, you know we love pepper. We love pepper, especially when you mix. Everything in Jamaica is pepper. So I can't see how people want to beat me in this and how, if I ever give up on this challenge, my Jamaicans would disown me. They would cry shame at me. So I'm doing this on my Jamaicans, yo. Right, babe? He's a chicken. I'm feeling proud of myself right now. You guys, I'm about to go in on my last bit and I'm gonna win. Look at him. Look at his lips. Show your lips how red they are right now.
I can't close my mouth.
You guys, this is my last bit I'm going in on. How many times I tell you it's my last bit and I'm just here mixing. I'm thinking how I'm gonna eat it. Tell her you're proud of mommy? Ding, 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 ding. You know I'm happy I did this challenge. I don't even finish my meal.
Just a little bit with me.
No. That's a lot. Show it properly. Show it properly. Look, you guys. That's not a little bit. That's a lot, Ramen. You're a chicken, baby. And look at my plate. All my Caribbean peeps, my Trini peeps, my Barbados peeps, and my Jamaicans should be so proud of me right now. Even though my mouth is on fire. You live in the Caribbean. This is a natural feel when you finish eating a meal. So it's normal for me. You guys, my mouth is on fire, but I beat Babe. I win the challenge. Pow, pow, pow. This challenge was very good. It was fun. I win. Yeah. I win. This is a very fun challenge to do. I hope some of my fellow YouTubers, couples that I love watching do this. So you guys, if you enjoy this challenge, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below, and if you're new to our challenge, don't forget to subscribe if you have watched this far. And call hubby a loser. Look at his lips, you guys. Alright, you guys, so we're signing out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this challenge. We sure did enjoy it. And of course, you know your girl went. Yeah, my mouth is on fire. I think I'm gonna eat some sugar after. All right, you guys. We'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys.